The tabletop bagger BAGMATIC T-375 works just like the T300 with one significant difference. The built-in zebra printer provides the bags with the desired print, for example barcode, on request, different for each bag. Here you can see the T375 with a partition table on the bagger that allows you to package kits and sets, standard with a foot pedal over the next door light curtain, which allows the bags to be welded when the operator's hand leaves the light curtain. For different operators, the height of the T375 can be adjusted ergonomically correct with an elevation table. The clear display shows, for example, the number of bags per minute. The T375 touchscreen dialog boxes are available in almost all languages.